Hi, in this video we will see how to configure the ATG, Automatic Tank Gauge. Well, we have to open the application. We must log in with the configuration profile. Remember, the default password are 4 times 3. Well, the ATG is inside inventory. The application creates by default one tank. The name of this tank is one tank 1. Well, you can edit the tank and we have many parameters here. The first parameter is the name. You can edit the name. We will use diesel for this sample, and for the product we can select the product for this tank. Remember, we explain many parameters in a lot of videos, and one of the videos explain how to create and edit the products. For this tank we will use the diesel. Well, this is the product. Well, the next parameter is height. The height is what is the length between the bottom and the top of the tank. Well, for this case we will see here 20 inch. We will use for the example 30 inch. Well, capacity. The capacity tell me how many units, in this case gallons of volume, how many units of volume, in this case gallon, will have our tank. For this case is 1000. The type is what type of tank is. Vertical, horizontal, or something like that. For this case we'll see vertical. Gauging table is the calibration table of this tank. In another video we will see how to set this table. Here we just can see the table. The login time is how much time we'll have between every store inside the database of the application. Well, in this case 5 minutes. This login is telling me about the information about the level of the tank. Well, proof. About the proof, remember the application allow many print links, but the tanks are just associated with one print link and one proof inside the print link. Well, for this case we will have to select this print link is the only one that we are associated for this application. Well, enable. If we will have a proof or tank, automatic tank gauge, we have to enable this parameter. If we don't enable this, you don't have any ATG enabled. Well, the address. This is the electronic address for the proofs. Remember, you have to read the installation manual, and in the installation manual you will see how to install the proofs, and every proof have one unique address. Refilling flow. The refilling flow is a parameter that the print link used to recognize a refilling. Well, this is talking about the flow that the print link have to detect for begin the detection of the refill. In this case, we will use 20. This tells me that the print link detects the refill when you will have a flow upper than 20 gallons per minute. If you have a flow that is coming to the tank but the flow is below the 20 gallons per minute, the print link will not detect any refill. The proof height. The proof height is what is the length of the proof. In this case, we type 20, but remember in the parameter before we typed 30. That's why we will use 32. Product offset and water offset. When we are installing a proof inside the tank, almost all the time we have a different level that the real tank have. You can adjust this level through these parameters: product offset and water offset. Product is for product level and water offset is for water offset. In case that you don't have any water inside the tank and for first time you see a water level, you have to type here the same level that you have in this particular moment. This will rest this number to the actual level and you will get 0. Well, guys, this is the way to set a tank inside the print link. Thank you so much.